What's up everybody, Jordan here. Check out today, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the Logitech multi-device K380 Bluetooth keyboard. Let's keep it moving. To get this one, you can either buy it at Best Buy or on Amazon. On Amazon, it'll cost you 30 bucks and Best Buy is around 35. I'll have all the information down below, as usual. Yeah, so here it is. Multi-device Logitech K380, works with Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, iOS, and Apple TV. So whatever tech you have, this will work with it. And it's a Bluetooth keyboard. Comes in dark gray. Type on anything. Enjoy the convenience of desktop typing on your computer, smartphone, and tablet. Easy switch. Press a button to start typing on another device. Take the type style. Type wherever you like on the device of your choice. So it's like super portable. Compatible with Bluetooth-enabled computers or mobile devices that support external keyboards. 24-month battery life, so that's pretty awesome. Bluetooth-enabled computers or mobile devices that support external keyboards, yeah. Apple, iPod, or iPhone, iOS 5 or later. Android tablet or smartphone, Android 3.2 or later. PC, Windows 7, 8, or 10. Mac OS 10.11 or later. Any version of Chrome OS, and any Apple TV, and an internet connection if you want to download the additional software that goes along with this. Let's unbox this. Alright, so here it is. Classic Logitech presentation. Blue and black, pretty nice. Got my unboxing knife here. The oil colored Huntsman. There we go. There's one, there's two. It's easy enough, so just cut the plastic and slide it open, and then you get the keyboard right on top. It's nice and small and portable, which is always good. So I'll take that out and put that to the side for now. Also in the box, probably get a micro USB cable, I'm guessing. Yeah, just some instructions, don't need that. So no micro USB cable in that part of the box, unless it's like under here. Doesn't look like it. So then it's got some plastic on it. I'll just slice through with my boxing knife very carefully. Works. Yeah, there we go. Peel out this tab and then, that's why there's no micro USB cable, because this uses two AAA batteries to power it, which is interesting. Okay, cool. Just slide that back on, like that. You get some instructions for how to set it up, but it's easy enough. It's just a Bluetooth keyboard, not super complicated. Yeah, so here it is. So it's decently light. Pretty nice keys, they're all round. And it's got 3 buttons for Bluetooth pairing, so you can connect to 3 different computers or devices. So I'll probably have this connected to my laptop and my Samsung Galaxy S8 and maybe something else, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah. So all the usual keyboard buttons. It doesn't have a number pad on the side because it's kind of small, but it has the numbers along the top and on-off switch on the side, which is cool. Yeah, that's the Logitech K380. Let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back more soon. Peace.